YouTube, TroyStarz Trucking. Thanks for tuning in. So in this video, I'm gonna go ahead and change the battery from my remote. And the remote that I'm talking is about for the Mack truck and the Volvo truck.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.
The Volvo truck comes with a keys like this. And this is the 2013 to 2018. I don't know what the new latest key fobs are like. I don't know what it look like. I don't know if it's the same as this, but I'm just telling you, this one is from 2013, go all the way up to I think 17, some part of 18. Until I see one of the new keys, then I can. Then again, I don't think you need batteries if it's 2018 or earlier. If you're watching this video now, I don't think you would need batteries for those times. But this is what the battery look like. I don't know if you guys can see it, but this is what the battery look like. I used two already because I already fixed two key fobs already. So these are what the batteries are. So Energizer battery. I'm gonna leave the link. I'm gonna leave the link for the batteries. I'm gonna leave the link for the batteries in the description of this video, so you guys can go ahead and purchase. Very cheap. How much? Well, the Energizer one is I think $10. I have the Amazon that comes with a lot more than this one. I bought the two of them also. I didn't take it with me, but the Amazon one comes with like 12 in it, and it's for $6. And this one is like for $10, and it came with 4. So I'm just gonna go ahead and change the batteries out of this one and show you guys. So this is one, and the one inside the truck here. So these are the two. This is for the Mack and this for the Volvo. So we're gonna change these batteries from these two key fobs at the moment. So guys, thanks for tuning in. You know, it's about TroyStarz Trucking. Okay guys, so we're gonna change the batteries, like I said, from the key fob. So I'm just gonna show you how simply it is. You know what I mean? This is gonna be a quick video, don't worry. So I have a small knife here, a small little pocket knife, and on the Volvo key fob, where you enter the key ring, right? In there's a slight hole that you can push the knife in it and just turn it like you're starting a truck. Just turn it and that's it. So that's it. It pulled already. You know what I mean? So easy, so simple. When I look in there, it's just a little you know, mankind. You know, these guys are very good, right? So in this is where the key, the battery is, right? So the battery, like I said, just set up inside here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna push it out, and it's the same Energizer battery that I just purchased. That is the one that is in there. So let me try to get it out. Okay, so this is it. The same batteries that, you know, like I showed you guys just now. This is the same, and the code on this battery is 2032. Hold on, let me look at the package. Let me look at the package. Yeah, 2032. Yeah, that's it. This is what this one is saying, CR2032, and this one is saying 2032 BP, right? So I don't know if those letters are different. And if you can look at the front part of the package, you will see where it says 2032. So you know from that number that you have the right key. So right battery. So basically, without you even looking in the description, you know what to type in and look for. But the link is gonna be down in the description, right? So this is the one from out the package, right? So I'm just gonna put it inside. So this is the little thing that pulled the truck. So I'm just gonna put it on the inside, push it in. You put the Energizer. You put the name up, and you just slide it back in the slot right there, fit it in back, perfect, right? And you just set it up back in the key fob. And to be honest with you guys, there's 2 holes that is on this that seated perfect inside the key fob section there. So you just put it in. Hold on, let me take it back out to make sure I got it right. So you can see where the 2 buttons are on the outside to pull the truck, right? So there's, like I said, 2 buttons, 2 holes on the side, and in the key fob there is 2 I don't know what to say, but you know, there's a section there where you can just fit the key fob in there, and that's what I do. So it's fit in, so all I need to do now is just close it back up, and that's it. That's it. It is sealed, it is ready. So when I get to the Volvo truck, I'm gonna press it and it will work, right? So onto the Mack key. So this is the Mack key fob, right? This is it. You're not gonna look at the back of the key fob to know what battery in it. No, we can see the Mack on this one, the Volvo is on the next one, so the Mack is on this, right? And when I actually press this, you're gonna see the red light come on, right? When I press it, now I can open my truck because it is low, because I'm inside my truck now. It's opening, but if I'm like, you know, a couple meters away, it's not opening, so I have to come near the truck and be like pressing all over, all around, so I know where the battery is going. So that's why I choose to come and change it. Now to pull this to get inside there, there's a slot right there near to where the key ring would go in, to the corner of it. There's a section right there where you can pull. So you do the same, you put something there and turn it like you're starting a vehicle. So you just turn and that's it, it pull already, right? So I can get inside. Well, it's easy to pull, I don't know. Yeah, it pull already, I can get inside there. Okay, so this is it. And if you look, you can see where the battery is seated in the area right there. And you can see where the inside there look. So this is the battery. I'm just gonna take it out. So this is the battery out, what had come out the Mack truck. It's another Energizer battery also. So same thing, 2032. So for the Mack and the Volvo, they use the same batteries for the key fob, right? So I'm just gonna put this one down on the ground right there. I'm gonna take the last one from out the package here, right? And this is it. So this is all you need if you have 2 trucks and you want to make sure your key fob, if your key fob is dying and you have to come near the truck to get it open, then you know your battery is going, so it's time to get it fixed. So to set up the battery inside the key fob, inside the Mack key fob, you can see where the plus sign is. So on this, there's a plus sign also. So you put the plus sign to match up with the plus sign. So you put it down backwards on it, right? Put it in, you get that clip, right? That's it, it's in there. And now I'm just gonna, you know, let me raise up these pins that rest on the batteries. You know what I mean? Hold on. Okay, there are 2 pins inside there that go onto the battery. I'm just raising them up so that it can brace on the battery, you know what I mean? And well, I'm just fixing the rubber. I think this rubber is for a water seal. So let me just fix this rubber perfect, so that no water don't get inside the key fob here. Okay. So we're gonna fit. That's it. That's it. So it's all fit. So we can. Okay. Okay. So it's working. Normally I would have get out the truck and, you know, go to a distance and then press the button to let you guys know it's working, but we don't need to do that part, right? I'm just changing it. You will know when it's time for your key fob to change. So this is just a quick video, guys. Thanks for tuning in. You know, it's a boy TroyStarz Trucking, you know what I mean? And this is how you change your key fob on the Mack key fob. This is how you change the batteries in the key fob. This is the Mack key fob, and this is the Volvo truck key fob. And like I said, the Mack will go from 2013, I think, or 2012. I'm not too sure about the 12, but I would think it would be the same batteries if it do come with a key fob, right? So this is a 2015 Mack, so you know these trucks change out at 2018. I think the truck change. I don't know what those key fobs are like, but anyway, guys, thanks for tuning in. You know, it's a boy TroyStarz Trucking. You know, and any little things that I fix, I will show you guys. So this is the channel for you, especially if you own a Volvo truck or a Mack truck, and this is a channel for you if you're planning on going into any form of trucking or owner operator or being a truck driver or anything. This is the channel for you, and this is also the channel for you if you're interested in growing. Thank you guys for tuning in. You know, it's a boy TroyStarz Trucking, and this is, like I said, this video is just to show you guys how to change the battery in the key fob. Now stick around, guys, more video coming up. Thank you once again.
For more
Peace.
videos like this, please subscribe.